Hello lovely people, welcome you all back to Home Seed Food channel. Today is another recipe that I'm going to share with you. We are making Egusi stew or melon seed stew. This is what I'm using for my stew, and I'll leave everything in the description box and then you can check it out. This is the melon seed Egusi, and you have to wash it before you blend it. So after washing it 3 times, this is what I'm gonna add: tomatoes and the onion. It's optional, but I like it to make it flavorful. Then after that, you add your salt. I didn't make mine take a slice, so we're not going to get that bigger lobster. Mostly, when you make Egusi stew, it will look like. So I added my sliced onion. That is 1 big sliced onion. Then let's fry this before we add other ingredients. If today is your first time watching this page or channel, welcome you all back to Home Seed Food channel. So I just add ginger. The ginger is optional, but I like it. With everything going around this world, you need this in your daily food making. That's the blended peppers. We have Habanero pepper. I have 3. It's a little bit spicy, but I like it. I didn't give this to the kids yet, for mommy and daddy only. And it's been on fire for like 15 minutes. I just covered it up. Didn't want to get any mess or burnt, so just cover it up. Then I give it a stir so that it doesn't burn. Then I added 4 sliced onion. Oh gosh, tomatoes. And then I added my seasoned salt. Then your favorite seasoned salt that you like, you can add it. And you have to be careful because you added salt in the blended Egusi. So be careful when adding your seasoned salt and then the one that you added. Everything balanced for me. Then I added 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. The vapor was too much, that is why you didn't see it clear. I'm sorry. Then give it a stir, let everything mix. Let it be on fire for 5 minutes before adding the blended Egusi. This one, we are not going to get the bigger chunks or those big lumps that mostly when we make Egusi stew, it will look like. I blended it smooth and then I added more water. So I'm not gonna get those big chunks or those big lumps. So I like this way than the big chunks here. Anyway you want your Egusi, follow this method and you're gonna love it. Then I added some spinach. In Ghana you can get contour bread, you can add it. And then I have some mackerel. Simple Egusi stew that you love to try. Give it a try. And say Egusi stew I brought then I enjoy this stew with some boiled plantains and then egg and then fish. Fish will say the beer go on. We know this is why do you feel when you fear in this street way. Thank you all, and keep on watching for more recipe on Home Seed Food page and channel. Stay blessed.